Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? So in today's video we are getting a look at best applications for video editing, VFX and some motion graphics. So let's get into the video. First step in our list is Adobe Premiere Rush. It is a trumpet version of Adobe Premiere which you would normally use on your PCs and for normal video editing and stuff like that. It is quite an interesting application. There are cool transitions and you can add overlays, you can add audio clips and cut the video. It's quite an useful app if you are trying to make a YouTube video or a video for yourself. It is a quite handy app and can be used for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. It basically do all the normal tasks well. So you can change exposure, effects, do whatever you want. Let's move on to our next application. VN is fourth app in our list and it is quite an awesome app. Like you can literally do everything with most less efforts. I would say you can have like every feature, like from video transitions to overlays to adding audios to images. You can adjust speed of the videos, filters, you can adjust exposure, brightness, saturation, stuff like that. And you can do like you can make basic montages with this. It is a full package and it is especially for those people who are like beginners in video editing. And use advanced it can be used for professional video editing too, but it is quite an handy and useful app. Must check it out. Third app in our video is KineMaster, and if you are editing for a while you would know what KineMaster is. It is a legendary video editor on Android. I will say there is no video editor like this because we are so used to this interface and using KineMaster. It is so easy that you love to use this. Doesn't matter if you are using it for advanced purposes or normal video editing. You can make like short videos, long videos. There is no problem with exporting. It works so smooth. There are many transitions. It as well. It is a must try video editor on Android. Everyone should have KineMaster. So next up in our video is Node Video. You may heard about this app. It is not the most stable app in our video, but I would say it is one of the most advanced app for video editing on Android or mobile, which is available right now. There are like everything which you can expect from an advanced video editor. Like it is literally Adobe After Effects. On Android there are color grading effects like blur, raise and cool transitions. You can literally do anything, but it is fully manual. It is not super easy to use. It is quite complicated if you are new in the world of video editing. And you would need a powerful device to use it perfectly, but still it is an awesome map. There is no such advanced application for video editing as Node Video, so you can check this out. Alight motion is the last step in our video. It is, I would say, a stable version of Node Video. Like, it have almost all similar features of Node motion. It is advanced as any other advanced video editor you can find out, and it has tons of feature and it is quite stable now. Like, you can do normal video editing in this, and you can go advanced with this. And if you are a motion graphic designer, you will love this application. Like, this is a must-have for you. You can easily make montages with this. It is quite stable for montages and all the other things you can expect it'll do, and it'll do just fine. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you will like, subscribe if you want to support me, and like for the same purpose. Thanks for watching.